Greetings, Mycology presents a shelf build for a flow hood. Here we are with our simple two-tier shelf that we bought off Amazon. Now, I didn't check this out quite well enough. It ended up being plastic shelves, which for most of you that might work fine, but for me, I work with hot, heavy egger, so these shelves actually didn't end up working for me. But we'll see if they'll work for you. So what I'm doing here is these little U-shaped stands, or the framework for the stands, have little holes where the braces connect. I measured down from there about 3 inches, which is where I want my surface area to be. So if you want yours higher or lower, you're going to measure up or down from that hole depending on what height you want them. I wanted mine 3 inches off of the table. So I took off the little feet here that came with it, and I moved them up to the new little short U pieces I captured that will help keep it level. And then I'm just using their little telescopic poles that come with it and extending them between the two U-shaped supports and putting the screws in there. And then just set the surface panels on there and makes it pretty decent. One thing you want to do, like I did there, was put the panels on there so that they sit level. The little telescopic poles, one is skinnier than the other, so you will want to set several of them on the skinnier one and several on the taller one so that each of those set level if you're pouring agar. If you don't care about it, just throw them together how you like. They do telescope out quite a ways. Now, make sure you're wearing safety glasses. I did not, and I wished I had in this case. Didn't do anything bad, but I would have liked to have had them differently. So I'm going to build these two little sets, and I've measured them out to the width that I wanted. And I put them all together, and then I'm going to go ahead and line them up. I'm going to drill a hole through the tube steel that's holding it together on either the side of that, the front and back. You'll see me here disconnecting the little rail to access it. I end up just using a drill bit to drill a hole, and then I use a metal screw here, just one on each side to hold it together. As long as you pick it up from the center, it won't ever present a problem. They're pretty lightweight, easy to move around. Anyhow, so we're going to get these two lined up, get them measured out. Make sure when you're doing this to be real careful with the height of it moving. When I drilled mine, they tried to move up on me. I had to kind of readjust them here. Now, these shelves, they didn't end up working for me, so I'm probably going to end up giving them away here soon. So if you're in the market for some shelves, either 2 foot or 4 foot wide, be on the lookout for a giveaway soon. Anyhow, here they are in the lab. I got them spread out. They fit. I want to make sure here that my little surface panels don't move around when I'm working, so I went and laid some clear silicone down on the little telescoping poles that they sit on, and I'm just kind of putting some weight on there in a somewhat level fashion to try and keep it level. So they're really nice looking. They worked out quite well. You can see here they just didn't work for me. Thanks for watching. Watch for more coming soon.